This video is on how to make Jalapeño Cilantro Simple Syrup. It's really easy, it doesn't take long, you only need a few ingredients and I'll show you step by step on how to do it. I'm going to use organic cane sugar, cilantro, water, and jalapeños. I'm just making a small batch here today, but if you're having a big party, then you can double or triple up on these portions. If you don't have time to go to the grocery store, maybe don't have a measuring cup or a container to put the simple syrup into, I'll leave links to everything in the show notes below. We'll get started with 1 cup of sugar. I'm going to add just a little less than 1 cup of water to this simple syrup solution because I don't want it to be too sweet and syrupy. I want the jalapeno and cilantro flavors to come through without being overpowered by the sugar. With the cilantro, there's no need to get too scientific with the measuring, just grab a big heaping handful and start chopping it up. And just a reminder to wash all your vegetables before you use them, just want everything to be as clean as can be. Now I'm going to cut the stem off the jalapeno. I'm going to cut it in half, and if you want you can remove all the seeds with a spoon, but I'm just going to remove some of the seeds with this knife. I want it to be a little bit spicy. I'm only going to use 1 jalapeno for this simple syrup, but you're welcome to use 2 or 3 or more if you want to. It's all about what your customers or guests want. In this case it's going to be my kids and they're not going to want it too hot. Now pour the water into a pot and put the temperature on low. Then add the sugar. Just keep stirring it until the sugar dissolves. Now add the cilantro and the jalapeno. Stir it for a few minutes, but don't let it begin to boil too much. A low simmer is just fine. I've stirred this for about 2 or 3 minutes, but I don't do an exact time. I go more on look, so when you're satisfied with the consistency and the way it looks, go ahead and remove it from the heat. So now I place my strainer over this glass container, and this pot has a lid with a strainer on it also, so I'm actually double straining this. So just pour it into the container of your choice. It's still going to be hot, so make sure you're not using a plastic container. I want the taste to stay pure, so I'm only going to use glass containers for simple syrup. You'll see that there's still going to be tiny little pieces of cilantro in there. That's okay, that's the way I want it. Once it's completely cool, you can add the lid. If you plan on making drinks with it today, you can go ahead and leave it out, but if not, go ahead and put it in the refrigerator. As long as your container was totally clean before you added the syrup, it should last about 1 month in the fridge. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.